Very good morning, dear students of Standard 4th. Yesterday I have provided you the video of explanation. Today I will give you the notes of the same lesson. So let's get started. See. The King of Golden River, that is part 2. These are the meanings. You can see it. You have to write this meaning in your notebook. True to one words. What is the meaning of the phrases? Did exactly as one promised or said. Furnace, a container which is heated to a very high temperature so that the substance inside will melt or burn. Delicately, carefully, or you can write here. Enterprise, business, activity. Astonished, very surprised. Crucible, a container in which something is heated to a very high flame or temperature. This is the next one. Tilted, moved into a position where one side is higher than the other. Enhancement, magic. Pray, please. Stuck to the story, did not change his story and keep repeating it. Parched, very dry. Stuff, a long thick stick. Lacked for, was short of, did not have. You can write any one, was short of or did not have. Okay, so this is a meanings. You can stop the video and you can note it down. Now come to next question. Match the adjective in column A with the noun in column B. There are the adjective. These are adjective. Okay. और इसके साथ noun को आपको जोड़ना है. जैसे column A में क्या है? Bad. Bad priest. Priest कैसा था? He was bad. So bad is the adjective. Holy water. Old man. Little pup. Always remember the noun which is described, that is called as adjective, and the describing जिस चीज़ को describe करता है, that is noun. Okay, don't get confused. Make 5 smaller word from each of the following word. Please, please से जितना smaller word होता है आप वो लिख सकते हो. Stream से जितना छोटा छोटा words होता है, ARE भी होता है, REAR rear भी होता है, ठीक है, STEM stem भी होता है. तो you can write many small out words. Now come to question answers. Now see, this is a one line answer which you have to write down. What would Glug drink from the mug? मग से ग्लग क्या पीता था? Glug would drink milk and water from the mug. Here is the answer in the short form. What did the brother do to the mug? The brother threw the mug into the furnace. Brother ने क्या किया मग के साथ? उन्होंने furnace में वो मग को टिप कर दिया या थ्रो कर दिया. What came out of a crucible? A golden drop came out of a crucible. Now describe the golden mug in short. You can write it in very short words. A golden mug was very beautiful. Glug's uncle had given it to him when Glug was baby. You can find this answer in your textbook also. Glug used to drink both milk and water from it. A strange birded face was delicately curved on the mug. Write true or false. Southwest wind did not return to Treasure Valley after that night. Answer is true. Glug was very fond of his mug. Answer is true. Southwest wind come out of the crucible, hot crucible. That is false. A golden drop come out of a hot crucible. That is true. Okay. Now you have to add ly to the particular word. Wicked, wickedly. ly आपको जोड़ना है. Beautiful, beautifully. Sad, sadly. Strange, strangely. Got it, students? Now come to next question. See, this is next question. What happened to the golden dwarf? So the answer is the dwarf jumped back into the furnace and disappeared. The dwarf jumped back into the furnace. वो furnace में वापस jump out किया और गायब हो गया. Who was put into a prison? Scott was put into the prison. From where did the Hans get holy water? Hans went to a church and stole some of the holy water. Now complete the following. Hans was happy that Scott was in the prison. Answer is in the prison. I will show you the answer. First you note down the question over here. It is not easy to climb the mountain. It is not easy to climb the mountain. See, answer is written here. The river did not turn into gold. Hans turned into a black stone. Okay. Now here question number 3. Underline the predicate to the following sentence. Already I have taught you what is subject and predicate. So first one answer is given directly over here. You have to underline only the predicate. Okay. So Gluck stuck in his story. What is Gluck? Gluck is subject. ठीक है, किसके बारे में बोला? Gluck के बारे में. तो वो subject. Gluck के बारे में क्या बोला? Stuck into his story. तो further the sentence are stuck into his story is predicate. How does sentence form? Subject plus predicate equal to sentence. हर एक sentence में subject और predicate रहना ही है. Hans felt thirsty again. What is the subject? किसके बारे में बोल रहा है? Hans के बारे में. तो Hans is the subject. Hans के बारे में क्या बताया जा रहा है? Felt thirsty again. The faint cry fell on his ears. तो a faint cry उसके बारे में क्या है? Fell on his ears. He jumped over the old man body. He is the subject और बाकी predicate. Okay. Now you have to write a simple sensible or you have to make sentence of the following phrases. River holy है. आपको पूरा उल्टा पुल्टा दिया हुआ है, यानी पूरे वर्ड्स को जम्बल्ड करके दिया है. आप यू हैव टू अरेंज द वर्ड्स एंड यू हैव टू नोट इट डाउन. जैसे फर्स्ट में क्या दिया है? रिवर होली हंस फ्लैग एंड थ्रू इनटू वाटर. आपको ये कंप्लीट सेंटेंस में बनाना है. हंस थ्रू द फ्लास्क ऑफ होली वाटर इनटू द रिवर. नेक्स्ट वन, अ ग्लक टोल्ड 10 सीक्रेट इज. देन ही टोल्ड ग्लक अ सीक्रेट. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Whom did Scott see while climbing the mountain? Scott saw a fair child and his own brother Hans while climbing the mountain. Next one, whom did Gluck see while climbing the mountain? Gluck saw an old man, a small child and a poor little pup which was climbing the mountain. What did Gluck do with the remaining of water? Gluck put the remaining water into a dog's mouth. Who took the place of a dog? The king of Golden River took the place of dog. Got it, students? So, write it down in your notebook. All the notes I have given you. Just stop the video and note it down in your books. Okay, very soon we will throw you the paper and you have to complete the paper itself at home and you have to submit it in school. Clear, students? So till then, have a great day.